episode 155 from Las Vegas, Nevada. It's the NADA show. We're here with Coach 1314. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. Let's flip it around and check out this beautiful coach. There we go, right there. This is an H3 double slide, everybody. It's for sale. I kind of teased it a little bit earlier this week here at the NADA show. I'm going to go outside. Stick with us because we're going to go outside and show you a little bit about the show. We've had a lot of interest in this coach here, and a big part of NADA is just, showing off this coach and educating people on Prevost, on marathon, and, being the largest converter of the Prevost chassis in the world. That beautiful tile work on this coach. If you can hear that laugh out there, that's the co-host, Dave Bash, down here with us. You guys know me, I love showing off that appliance center. One thing I really like also that we're doing in the coaches now is we're putting the TV on a tilt. So you can tilt that salon slide TV out to any angle and then bring it in like that. What a beautiful coach. And then from the front of the coach, from the cockpit, you can kind of see just how busy it is. My man, Pat Oberg. I see Murray Selesky. I know you guys are headed into Coburg, Murray. You and Natalie are getting your coach worked on. And here we are. You can see from our display exactly what's going on. And one of the most important aspects of our display is the co-host, Dave Bash. Dave, you've been with us through the show. I'm gonna have you speak up because the microphone is aimed towards me, so because I want everyone to be able to hear you. Tell us, excuse me. Tell us about the show. Tell us about how it's been here at the NADA 2020.
It's been a real drag here working with Rod and with Mel. I'm just trying to keep myself together. It's been a good time. A lot of people. We're one of the few displays that have a line usually waiting to come in and see.
That's a good point. Dave making the point of we have a constant line. It's been 3 days of constantly people waiting to get in the coach, and a good mix of 5 to 7, 8 people at a time in this coach. So a lot of people have gotten to see Coach 1314. Dave, where are you going from here?
I'm driving this tonight down to Indio, California, and then flying back home.
All right. Well, travel safe, and thank you for your support down here. Thank you for helping out. It's we couldn't have done it without Dave, that's for sure. Coach 1314 sitting right here in the middle of the North Hall in Las Vegas at the Convention Center. I wouldn't normally do this, you guys, but you've got to see this car. I'm just going to walk right across here and show you. I will sign off by saying, Dave, we're out of here. Have a good week, everybody. Thanks for sticking with us on this longer tour of the NADA show. Be yourself and do good things. Take care, and see you next Monday.